batter up. It's a sweet business opportunity to help students learn how to cook.
This is my first year teaching. I've never done this before.
Lemuel Teal Middle culinary instructor Karen Martin may be new to teaching, but she's already making an impact. Until recently, administrators bought treats for staff birthdays and other events. But then, someone cooked up an idea.
These kids had done a project, Cake Wars, and they did really good. And so Ms. Moreland asked us if I would be interested in us making the cupcakes for the staff as opposed to her buying them at Publix.
Now, Martin's students are doing exactly that. Here's how the class's business model works. They charge staff for a dozen cupcakes. Martin buys supplies using money from the class fund. Then students bake and decorate the cupcakes at their stations.
Yeah, we usually switch it up sometimes. Like once a week we do like a different, in my kitchen we do like a different sous chef every week.
Every student has a role, from stirring the batter to placing it in a pan to quality control. They can also make creative decisions. On the day of an event, students deliver the cupcakes to administration, who then takes them to the lucky staff member. Back in the kitchen, students keep an eye on inventory and have a calendar of birthdays to prepare for the next event. They also make more than just cupcakes. They also make ice cream and hot dishes too. But the students also learn skills they can use in any line of work.
They learn employability skills, hard skills, soft skills, teamwork, leadership, learning how to delegate but not be bossy.
Martin is also being recognized for her efforts as a new teacher. She was named Teal's candidate for New Teacher of the Year.
It's been a lot of fun. I really focus on the creativity part of this and not just coming in here and learning how the basics of cooking. They may not leave here great cooks, but at least they've had fun and they're creative.
Look out, Michelin star restaurants. Lee County has some great cooks in the baking. This is Adam Hodjost with Lee Schools TV.